I often buy bundles of other people's leftover quilting things when they're destashing, and even though there are photos usually on the listing, there usually aren't that many. So when I open them, sometimes it's a bit of a surprise, like this time. I actually did message with the woman who was selling it, and it's an aunt or a great aunt or something who is into quilting, and they just couldn't keep it up. So this whole lot was just under 20 pounds, including postage. So first up is this. It's two, what does it look like? Two big pieces of fabric. This one's got some sort of embroidery stabilizer on it, so maybe they were gonna embroider something on top, not sure. Two of them, or maybe it was gonna be a cushion for something, not sure. Two big pieces. No, three, sorry, three. If anybody knows what this is about, let me know. But I feel like maybe they were going to embroider something onto it. I don't know. Okay. Then there's a t-shirt. What's it say? Blessed are the quilters, for they are the peacemakers. Okay. It's pink. It feels unworn. I don't know. It could be wrong. Or well taken care of. And this one looks like it has been worn. I'd rather be quilting. Cool. And they look like they both fit me, to be honest. On reflection, I'm unlikely to wear the pink one, the Blessed are the Quilters one. So if you really like that and you would like me to send it to you, I'm happy to pay the postage in the UK. Or if you can pay the postage to another country, happy to give it to you for free. Just pop me an email. Okay, so this is a ruler that's like a cutting mat. I remember seeing this on the thing. And this, I think, is a ruler with a blade in it. So I think, I don't know, I'm interested to try that out. That could be cool. Another big ruler. I've got loads of these 6.5 by 24-inch rulers. They seem to be in every destashed thing that I buy somehow. So I don't know. This says non-slip. I like to see which ones. So I've got 3 now, I think. I'll have to see which ones I like. I like to have more than one for squaring up quilts when you're trimming them at the end, but I don't know if I need 3, so I might get rid of one. But anyway, right. Then we've got some striped fabric, just a bundle of it. I don't know what measurement that is. Looks like 9-inch squares, maybe. Bunch of them. Okay, then what's this? Okay, some patchwork. I have a fair amount of other people's orphan blocks, and I do have definitely an other people's orphan block quilt some in my future at some point, probably. Right, what is this? I don't know what that marking means. So this looks like just cut squares for, I think, because I think there's some other ones that probably this one, it's like a cream color. Quite a few of them. This is just a bundle of squares all cut to, I think all cut to the same size. And then this is what she was working on. So this is a great big wad of squares. And this is super pretty, right? So a Dresden fan. So what you call Dresden plate. It looks like it might have been, yeah, I think it was probably hand stitched on, and there's some really cool quilting there. So they were obviously meaning to do this quilt as you go. So there's one. There's another one. Another one. So that's 3, 4. That's lovely. 5, 6. There's that stripy fabric that we saw some of. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And then a little scrap of fabric, and then some more of that. Oh, this is almost like a whole quilt top. Hang on. It is. Yeah. This is pretty much an entire quilt top. So I've not measured it, but it's fairly large. I could add those other bits to it. I could applique something on it, or I could just quilt it up, give it to charity. I'll have to have a think. And those other blocks, now I don't know whether they were all meant to go in the same quilt. So I'm gonna have a think about that, because I'm not sure that these ones, these sort of darker colored ones, exactly go with the other ones. I feel like the other ones, even though they're different patterns, could go in the same. I'm not even sure if they're all the same size, but that one looks a bit bigger, but they're pretty close. So, oops, you can't see that. Sorry, that one was the one that looked a bit bigger. So, but I think there's enough of these ones that have the batting already on to try to piece something together and maybe add borders and get some sort of a charity quilt out of that. And then I'll see about these darker ones. I don't know. These are less, if anybody would like to, so I'm in the UK. So if anybody in the UK would like these 4 quilted blocks plus a stripy fabric that, where it was under here somewhere. Where'd it go? Plus these to continue it, let me know. I'm happy to send it. I'll pay the postage in the UK. If you're in the States, if you could help with the postage, then you're also welcome to it. I'm just not sure that these colors are going to make me want to go and finish it. Whereas the other one, I feel like I could probably attack that pretty quickly. And I know I have some other people's orphan blocks. It might go a little bit with that. So yeah, let me know if you are interested in these ones here, and I will happily send them to you. Even if you just, it doesn't have to be for charity. If you just want them for yourself, if you want to make cushions or whatever, you're welcome. You're welcome to them. So, yeah. So I've got lots of some fabric. I've got lots of blocks. I've got t-shirts. I've got rulers. I've got the cutting ruler, and it was all 20 pounds, including postage. We're gonna hopefully finish somebody's last ever UFOs in the quilt top and in these blocks, and just not gonna let this stuff go to waste. So I'm happy about that. So I hope you've enjoyed. I'll put some photos of the haul up, and I'll see you again next time.